Whether you're nursing, pumping, or bottle feeding, one thing makes life way easier: a nursing cart. Let's build yours step by step. A simple 3-tiered utility cart works beautifully. It's compact, mobile, and gives you plenty of storage. But feel free to choose something that works for you. Keep your day-to-day must-haves on the top shelf, like breast pads. This is a disposable version, and this is a washable, reusable version. Nipple butter, this is a lifesaver. Snacks to keep your calorie intake up with breastfeeding and pumping, and water to keep you hydrated. And of course, wipes and diapers, because you never know when you're gonna need these. Next, for the middle tier, you wanna keep all of your pumping and feeding supplies. Most importantly, your breast pump. These are wearables, but any kind would work. And then once you're done pumping, you'll need your storage bags for breast milk. And then you're gonna wanna have your silverlets, which go over the nipple. It also helps protect and heal. And then you're going to want to use the lowest tier for your backup supplies. Extra burping cloths, because you run out of these really quick. An extra set of clothes and socks for baby. A blanket for comfort or as a nursing cover. And then a charging cord for your phone and your breast pump. The longer the better. So that covers your basics for your nursing cart. And now here are some nice to haves for convenience and comfort. A nightlight for those middle of the night feeds. A breast massager to help with lactation. Hand sanitizer in case you just don't want to have to get up and go wash your hands. A box of tissues. Pacifiers for a fussy baby. Diaper cream. Bottles as backup just so you know where one is. And then a journal. This is your time to also reflect before or after you're nursing your baby. This nursing pillow doesn't necessarily fit on your cart, but it is essential to your nursing experience. If you don't have a lot of room for a nursing cart, you can always use a caddy like this for all your essentials.